Welcome to another video showing the features and functionality of Simple Manufacturing software. In this video, I will provide you with an overview of tool management. For manufacturing or machine shops that have decided to store their calibrated devices, fixtures, or other tools in a central location and then have inspectors or users check them out and check them in, this module and feature are for you. Let's dig into it. From a main menu of Simple Manufacturing, there are two sections of tool management. One section allows users to search and find tools or devices of interest. Several filters are available to help users search for and find the tool or device. Search by device type, serial number, model number, device number, etc. The display shows the last checked by, last check date, and current location. If necessary, the user can double-click on the device to view its details. To close any form in Simple Manufacturing, click on the Back to Main button, and that will take the user back to the main menu. The next section is the Checkout and Check-in feature. If your business has multiple facilities and devices are linked to a facility, select the facility first, and all devices linked to that facility are shown, eliminating from the list all devices connected to other facilities. In this first example, we will enter the serial number of a device that has a past due or expired calibration. After entering the serial number, the system looks up the device, checks its calibration, and verifies its status. In this example, the calibration had expired, prompting the user with a red flag message. Red flags occur when a device's calibration is past due or the device has been flagged as inactive, lost, or taken out of service. Once alerted, the users will need to decide on the action to take, whether it be updating the device's status, returning it, or continuing with the checkout. If a picture has been added to the device record, it will display. In the following example, we will demonstrate the checkout process for a device without any red flags. Enter the serial number of the device. A picture of the device will be displayed if an image has been added to the device record. Select the person checking out the device. Select the work center where this device will be used, and then select Checkout. Once complete, the form can be closed, and the user is directed back to the main menu. To verify the checkout status of the device, open the tool info and search for the device using the serial number filter. From this view, the status has been updated. You may also click on the device, and the fields checked status, last checked by, and last check date show identical information. After the device is used and it is returned to the centralized storage area, the check-in process is initiated. Enter a facility name, otherwise leave blank. Enter or scan in the serial number of the device. Once entered, the system will look up its status and alert users of any red flag conditions. Those being that the device's calibration is past due, inactive, lost, or taken out of service. Appropriate action should be taken. Select the user returning the device. Select the work center to which you returned, and then click Check Back In. The user is asked two simple questions that relate to the device's integrity. Was the device dropped during use? Mishandling of devices may necessitate verifying their accuracy before subsequent use, for example. I will check No. The second question is whether the user has any reason to believe the measurements taken were inaccurate or questionable. For this example, I will check No. If the user answers any of these questions as yes, the device status is then changed to taken out of service, requiring it to be recalibrated before subsequent use. In the following example, I will check out this same device, return it, and answer yes to a question to see what happens. I will add the serial number, select an employee, work center, and then check out. Close out. Come back into the check-in module, enter the serial number, choose the employee, select the work center, and click Check Back In. I will answer the first question with yes and the second question with yes. In this case, answering yes to either of these questions changes the calibration status of the device, and it will need to be inspected and recalibrated before subsequent use. Now let's see what occurred with this device. We will look up the device from Tool Info. Enter the serial number into the filter, then click on the device. Notice that the device calibration status is now taken out of service, and a note has been entered stating that the check-in questions were answered unfavorably. So, from this point forward, the device status is taken out of service and should be pulled for inspection and recalibrated before subsequent use. We hope you found this overview informative about the tool management feature. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. If you're ready to purchase or have further questions about Simple Manufacturing, please don't hesitate to call me. I would be happy to discuss how this software will help manage your business.